Hey everybody, I had a couple of students asking about the weekly checklist and maybe having some issues with saving their information on there. So I just wanted to make a quick video showing you what I recommend you do for those, and I definitely recommend you use Adobe Reader. So if you just go up into a Google search, and it is called Adobe Acrobat Reader. I'll put a link underneath this video as well. And if you just do a Google search, it's right there, get.adobe.com/reader. Now one thing, there's this optional offer. Uncheck those or else you'll get some extra junk with it. And then go ahead and install now. And if you use Chrome, I do recommend you use the Adobe Acrobat Chrome extension. Go ahead and click install now and follow the steps. I already have it installed, so I will show you how to use it. All right, so on our online class, hang on, I gotta move my video, sorry. All right, there, now I can find the login button. You'll find, if I go to our class, I'm gonna look at it like you guys see it. Okay, so this is how our class should look to you guys. I will put a video up here as soon as I get done here. Let's look at Unit 1 and go all the way down to the bottom will be the checklist. Hopefully it's Monday, so you guys should already have submitted this, but just using this as an example. Okay, it's going to open that up. Depending on what browser you're using, it might say something like this. This PDF contains forms. Forms is not supported on Firefox. If you installed the Chrome browser, that should work, but I really want it to work for everybody. So this best way to get it to work is to download. So download the checklist. I recommend you save it to a folder. You can see I've got a folder here that is just called, let me show you. It's called English 361. Go into that folder and save it. I already have it in there, so I'm not gonna, but go ahead and save it, and then you can open up the folder. English 361. And if you downloaded Adobe Reader, it should have made itself the default program. If it didn't, just do a quick search, make Adobe the default. Open up the checklist, and now you've got the best program to do. So this should work. I know those are a couple of extra steps that, but it's going to be really important, especially on this Unit 2 worksheet, because you're going to have to actually copy and paste blog addresses in there. So if you don't have this installed, it's going to be a little bit harder. So go ahead and put your name there and go through and okay, I did everything. Really, it's good to have the checklist going. Download it right at the beginning of the unit and use it to keep track of yourself. Then all you have to do is hit save. Okay. And then if I close this and then reopen it, it should have all of my changes saved. So you can see all of those are saved. Now I can go into our class, and I cannot submit on this one, but you should have a spot to attach it. Just browse, or you can, I believe you can click and drag your checklist from a folder like this. But hopefully that helps you guys out a little bit. But send me an email, give me a call, whatever you need to get some help on this. Again, I'll post this video. If you're watching this video, you're already seeing it on our class, and then I'll also have a link underneath. All right. See, until next time, guys.